Hello. In this video, we will see how to schedule a mass sending of personalized messages on SendApp. By clicking the fifth icon from the top, we can plan the sending of the personalized message. Now, by clicking More, the first row related to the message scheduling will appear. We will choose a date, for example, July 26th, with the corresponding time. We choose the address book, for example, Master 3, the message related to, for example, the template of the message sending that we find on the left, or in this case, the caption related to the image, for example, Test 3. In this case, we can see the sending status, how many have been sent, and thanks to the fourth icon from the top, we can see if the sending was successful, or if there were any errors in the sending.